Alright guys, let's get this show on the road. I think this was a 15 or 20 minute boat ride, but if you want to see the rest, book a trip. The background sound you hear is what the boat motor sounds like when it's going slow. It gets louder. Just so you know that ferries came here and added sapphire and jade to the river, and that's what makes it this beautiful color. Let's get off the boat real quick and get back up to the regular entrance. Okay, we zoomed through that. Now this is the regular vehicle entrance where most of you people are going to come to, but if you get the chance to take the boat in, take the boat. Everyone say hi to the Enchanted lady. Let's go check her out. Take the stairs, and underneath her there is a nice patio area, and if you look at the flowing in front of me, that's her hair going along, and just a nice patio rec area, because God knows it rains a lot here. Well, it doesn't look like we're supposed to take these stairs, so let's take them. And we're going up, 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 up. It looks like we're going to be on top of her, somewhere over her head. So we will just consider this a behind-the-scenes look, and we will get down these stairs before we get in trouble. Okay, behind these trees you can see the flowing cement. That is her hair, and that leads you around to the actual park entrance. So come on guys, let's go. What are you waiting for? Let's go, let's go, let's go. There's tourist vans and tourist people coming, and we're going to catch a ride, and we're going to go all the way back to where we started, and we're going to zoom, 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 zoom. Okay, so the actual name is the Hinatuan, I may pronounce that wrong, Enchanted River, or also called Hinatuan Sacred River. We reached the bottom, and there's a billboard and some information to welcome everybody, but let's go find this beautiful water. I did already tell you that fairies colored this water with sapphire and jade. Now you can see what they mean. towards the end down there, you can see where the swimming section is, and I think that's something we need to do. So let's go ahead and start making our way down that direction. I didn't realize this was salt water until I actually jumped in. There's something in my brain just made me think that since it was a spring, it was fresh water, but it is not. Someone lost their life jacket, so I'll bring it back to them. Okay, guys, you heard it. That's the bell. Let's just sit back and watch their presentation for a few minutes.
Welcome, everyone, to Enchanted River. Madayaw na pagkanin sa Enchanted River. The daily fish feeding is shown to the public as a cultural segment. The feed, which is only a small portion of the daily food requirement of the fishes, is actually a fresh catch that is part of a natural diet. As part of connecting to our history, we are showing this tradition of fishermen of VANquished going back to the blue waters of the river. After a challenging but bountiful fishing at sea, they show their gratitude to Mother Nature by giving an offering to the spirits of the underground spring. The spirits are believed to be dwelling here where the fish abound. This is our way of showing everyone how we should give back to the environment and take care of Mother Nature.
okay, the fish are happy and everyone's fed, and maybe it's time to feed me. But if you look at the current on this boat, that is the speed of the water coming out of here. So these boats that drop people off for the water tours, they just coast backwards and then just push off and turn around and head on back out to sea. Really, really neat experience. But as you heard, these boats can be noisy. Okay, that's a wrap. Like, share, comment, follow along. We'll see you guys down the road.